Now we're going to learn how to replace a thermostat probe. This is rather easy to do. The thermostat probe, the actual sensor of the probe is on the very back here, and that is found in this little black box right here. So what you need to do is take that off by removing the two screws. Okay. And then that's the cover, and then that's the probe right there. So untie it, it's tied in a knot. And then just slide the wire through the hole. Okay. Now you need to remove just the left panel. So we'll remove the left panel by putting the heater down on this left side and taking out the 5 screws that are holding the panel on. Turn the heater upside down with the back of the heater facing you, and then just pull the left panel off. It might feel tight or like it's going to break, but it doesn't. Now this is the circuit board here, so you need to find the probe. Here's the wire that we pulled out, which is the probe. And there's a little white zip on it, so we'll cut the zip. Be careful not to cut the other wires when you cut that. And it's just a little zip tie. Take that off. And then you follow the probe to where it goes into the PCB board, which is the control board. And you're not going to be able to see it because my hand's in the way here, but you just pull it off. And then you just push the new one right back in at the same place. Okay, it'll snap in place. And once you've plugged it into the board, you need to push the end in through the metal, the aluminum in the back. Now this is a little bit tricky, but you actually need to tie it in a knot. So just take your time to figure out how to do it. Just put it around and you stick it through. Just like the other one was that you took out, but it's not real easy to do. So just take your time and we'll figure it out. Okay. And the reason for doing that knot is so that it doesn't slip back through the hole. Okay, there you go. And then you pull it back to the knot. You put the plastic cover over it. And then you screw the black cap over top of it. Okay. You put the side back on, and when you put the side on, you need to put this corner in first, and then you rotate it down into place. Takes a little bit of learning to do, but it's not that hard. And then once you do that, you put the 5 screws back in, and you've just replaced the thermostat probe.